My balls fell out. I don't think that's any good. They're supposed to be in there. My balls. So the water pump on my Kubota has been going for a while. And last time I looked online, they weren't available to purchase. There was one over in Australia for like $500-600. So I didn't do that. So I finally got to the point where the shaft seized up on the water pump and the belt was squealing. So I took the water pump out to see if it did any damage to the shaft or the case, and it was fine. So I ran down and got some bearings. That thing got a little chewed up, but still gonna hold the snap ring. Maybe I'll clean that groove a little. Did reuse the old water slinger. That was still in good shape. This water pump configuration is pretty common in most vehicles, on the road even. That should hold her. Looks good. That's perfect.
Just tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
Got him! Yeah, baby. Well, here goes nothing. I don't mind fixing shit. I end up saving a lot of money. It was like $35 worth of bearings, a couple hours of work, and I was in business. Tighten the belt. And let's see if it holds water. Here goes nothing. Oh, now I gotta take a piss. I see no leaks except the shit I fucking spilled like a dart. Exactly a gallon? Maybe. Don't want to roll coal into my Jeep. I know, I gotta fix my muffler. Maybe that hole blew out. That got me some more loads of dirt. That's what I'll be doing.